To configure your ARA-X4 into safe mode, first open the ARA-X software and log in as admin. You'll see admin confirmed here. Select the ARA-X4 tab at the top of the screen. Then, in the left-hand menu, select the COM port and click the Read button at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up the most recent information from the ARA-X4 device. Select the Device Configuration tab, then navigate to Safe Mode and check the box, then click Write to send the instruction to the device. The ARA-X4 is now in safe mode, and you can safely unplug it when you're ready.